Bay Windows Smithtown, NY, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from custom bay windows, energy-efficient bay windows, and more to suit their specific needs and preferences. Bay window contractors in Smithtown are skilled in providing top-notch bay window services, ensuring a seamless installation process. Custom bay windows in Smithtown are a popular choice for those looking to add a personal touch to their homes. These windows can be tailored to fit any bay window dimensions, offering a perfect blend of style and practicality. Bay window customization allows homeowners to select from a range of bay window materials, including vinyl bay windows and wood bay windows, to match their home's existing decor. Energy-efficient bay windows in Smithtown are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their energy bills. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bay window experts in Smithtown can provide guidance on the best energy-efficient bay window options, ensuring maximum savings and comfort. Bay Windows Smithtown is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window specialists in Smithtown offer comprehensive bay window solutions, from bay window repair to complete bay window upgrades. These professionals ensure that every bay window replacement is executed with precision and care. Affordable bay windows in Smithtown are available for homeowners on a budget. Bay window contractors in Smithtown offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Whether you're looking for vinyl bay windows or wood bay windows, there are affordable bay window options to suit every budget. Bay window design in Smithtown is an art form that combines functionality with aesthetics. Bay window professionals in Smithtown are adept at creating stunning bay window enhancements that elevate the look of any home. From traditional bay window styles to modern bay window trends, there's something for everyone. Bay Windows Smithtown is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular maintenance can prevent costly bay window repairs and ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Bay window specialists in Smithtown offer a range of bay window maintenance services to keep your windows looking and functioning their best. Bay window features in Smithtown are diverse, offering homeowners a wide array of choices. From bay window dimensions to bay window materials, the options are endless. Bay window experts in Smithtown can help you navigate these choices, ensuring that you select the perfect bay window features for your home. Bay window enhancements in Smithtown can transform the look and feel of your home. Whether you're interested in bay window upgrades or simply want to explore new bay window styles, the possibilities are endless. Bay window professionals in Smithtown are dedicated to helping you achieve your vision. Bay window solutions in Smithtown are designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for bay window installation, bay window repair, or bay window replacement, there are bay window services in Smithtown to suit every requirement.